compare. Oh, good morning everyone, welcome to another day on the Nincompoop vlogs. Don't know what I'm saying, but good morning. Look how faded my hair is. Look. So ready for its new dye. What colour am I going next? Find out by staying tuned to Ellie's vlog. Good news everybody, this weekly vlog has been sponsored. It's really good if we get a sponsor on this channel because it keeps me making videos full time. It keeps me making a lot more content for you and you don't have to spend a single buck. This week we've been sponsored by, it's basically a portable hair straightening brush. So it's by Dwave Beauty. What I'm going to do is link it down there in the description for you to go and check out yourself. But we will be using it today. I'm actually out to Brighton today with my two sisters. We're going to go shopping in the Brighton city centre and I'm going to take this with me. I've got the pink one, which is amazing. It's the prettiest one, it's my favourite colour. You charge it up, which I'm doing now, and you can take it anywhere you want really. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm probably going to be trying this out. You don't have to supply the cable because it literally came with it. So that's all good to go. And this is good to put it into because it keeps it safe and like protected as well. If it's a slightly bit hot, then this will be good to put in your bag. And I'm just gonna let that charge and then we're going to head out as sisters. Do you remember this top? Who has one of these? It's my pocket full of sunshine top that I sell on my own shop. Links down there if you want one. And I put it with my dungarees because it looks really cute. It looks like he's kind of like poking out and being like, hello. I've got my gin and lemonade. We've got a big table spread, starting with Vicky with her nachos. Kate also got nachos. She got teriyaki noodles. I got halloumi wrap. I always get the sweet chili. I got these for the first time. They say they're spicy, but I wouldn't really say they're spicy, especially if you dip them in the sweet chili. They remind me of KFC. So if you eat fish but not meat, it's basically like having popcorn chicken. Or I'm just recommending that you go here and get the spicy prawns, okay? This is the Bright Helm in Brighton and this might be the perfect location for my hair straightening brush to give it a bash. It's got a little screen here. 42, 43, 44. Is it done? Oh, it's still going up. 83. Look at that. That's cool, isn't it? So you can turn it down as well. You can have it cooler if you want. Ta-da! Straight hair, don't care. Kate's just got random bits of straight hair now. Lovely. Oh, I like it. It's gonna leave me stuffy, isn't it? Basically, we've just come back from Brighton because we're gonna go fishing with fisherman Frank over here.
Hello there.
And he's got his rods here. And I got my shiny shoes for good luck because it might attract some fishies. I haven't personally been fishing with you since I was like 10. So this is like a late Father's Day outing. This area behind me there is where me and Vicky used to make lots of memories as a kid. We used to play hide and seek all around this area before and during fishing trips with my dad on the Shoreham Arm, which is where we are here. I literally haven't been here for years and it's so cool that we're here again. So many memories are coming back to me. It's really weird. And it looks quite empty. We got the arm to ourselves. Look at that beautiful view.
This one is about 50-year-old, it's real.
Wow. Got any words of wisdom?
Words of wisdom. If you don't try it, you'll never catch one, will you?
Oh, very good. Vicky's ready to catch a shark. Woo!
Now hopefully there's mackerel in the sea somewhere.
There will be. I asked them to come here.
Put it through like that. Give it a bit of a lift. Windy down here.
It is so far. Look at all those birds just like floating in the air. Beautiful. What do I do with my finger? Let go.
When you flick it, let your finger off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hold it tight to get the grip.
You're very tall. When it gets too high, I'm scared. Okay.
It'll be alright.
Just go. Yeah. We're having to go again.
Yeah, I am. Can't zoom in.
Getting ready to cast with her rod. Hopefully it'll be better than last time. Ready? Steady. Go.
Yeah. Tell you what, guys, that was scary business.
That was fishing business.
It was very dangerous, but I did it. Got there in the end. So are we, so I say thank you for the music.
Don't put it through your finger. Yeah, you get a good close up if I did.
Oh,
You're such a good hooker.
But you can't wait to watch me cast this, guys.
Nice one. She's put loads on there.
I've got the fab.
Oh. There you go. They're going to catch your magical. You caught anything yet, El?
No dinner tonight.
Well, no luck today.
No.
They're ready for us next time though. We're gonna get a shark. There's one. Did we have fun?
Yeah.
Hey!
Fun.
What do we catch?
Nothing.
Leg weight.
Oh yeah, Vicky caught a weight.
I caught inspiration.
Oh,
Inspiration.
and I caught.
A sunburn.
Yeah, look at all the water from where the waves have been going. I want to capture it on camera. Maybe not. To be fair, I didn't get a lot from Primark today. I just got a few bits that I needed. Some fishnet tights, £3 for 2 pairs. And they last a long time because if they get holey it doesn't really matter because fishnets. I got this little croppy toppy which was only £4 and it's got these really adorable sleeves to them. Oh, how dainty, darling. And another crop top which is in this mustard colour. I really love mustard colours at the moment. And it's got these little buttons down it. There we go. How cute it is. Would also look really nice with a skirt. I need to start buying skirts instead of tops because I'm just going to have loads of tops and nothing to wear them with. Do we look like sisters? That was weird. Today it is Scarlett's birthday, Father's Day, and Scarlett's College's open day. We're going to a farm, an animal college's fair because we all like animals. Don't we, Adam?
Yeah.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Apparently there's, is it a llama or an alpaca? Either way, they've got those there. Alpaca lunch. Funny boy. I didn't think of that one.
Dad jokes on Father's Day.
I can't wait to go purple next week, Kate.
Mine's got slightly blue now.
Oh yeah, she dyed the tips of her hair. Oh wait, it has England. A little bit like, it's like aqua.
Hello. Hello. Oh, you can smell Adam. What's that smell?
It's like Sophie.
Adam's the rabbit whisperer.
Doesn't even want it, it just wants to come in.
Just likes the friend. Oh, friendship.
Oh. Do you want some, Dad?
Hello.
You just put your hair down. He licks it.
What, you just flat? Yeah. There you go. Oh, that was amazing.
Oh, yum, 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 yum.
What? Look, how do you do it? Oh. Yeah, look, what? There we go.
There you go. I'll go feed some other ones. Oh.
For a smallest Ken. Huh? Oh, come here with the pumpkin.
He's waiting, Kate. Come on. Hurry up, Kate. Come on. What are you waiting for? It's like a big dog.
That's a lot.
So I'm not going to make her fly again. I'm going to give it to her because it's only fair that she had a lovely fly. She went a long way out. There we go. So give it to me. I know what I need. But what I'm trying to do, because this is good training for her at a young age, because I'm taking her everywhere. She's at south, and she can keep the noise up for hours.
We're on the way to Scarlett's birthday party. It was supposed to be a surprise birthday party, but I don't think it is anymore. I'm not sure, we'll have to just wing it.
About the moon and the June and the spring. I love to sing. What shall I say next? It's getting really high now. What shall I say?
Sing me a song.
What song?
Just anything.
I don't know what song.
Why do you sound so northern?
I don't know a song.
I don't know what
I
song.
don't know a song. What shall I sing? What's the last bit? Just gonna run out.
Hey Mickey, yeah, hey Mickey. Hello? Some say love, it is a river. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiroo. Happy birthday, Scarlett! Thank you! That's it. Oh, hello there, darling.
Adam's interior.
Adam has a great interior.
I'll take it.
I'll take it too, darling. Straight up in here.
Okay, I'm done. Hello, 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 hello. I'm done.
Cool.
Smells nicer than it tastes. Hey!
What's that, mayo?
Is there pepper in that?
Yeah, pepper as well. Hold your breath and then have something afterwards.
In one.
1, 2, 3.
Go!
Max, you're a strong, independent woman. The worst thing you do is vomit. Because 3 people have had it and they're fine with it.
1.
Without doubt. 3 people have had it, they're fine.
What's he drinking?
Okay. What is that?
Yeah, that's not too bad, is it? It looks worse than what it is.
What is it? What is it?
Mayo? What?
Well done, mate.
What did you just drink? I don't know. Green spirits.
Okay. You alright? Coming up, guys. Coming up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Scarlett. Happy birthday to you.
Now, this is my caterpillar that looks like he has had an incident. Caterpillar, Thank you. And can I just say, if you ever want an event planned, Victoria is available.
Say it louder.
I just like how she's got a bit of chocolate cake in her hand.
Oh my god.
He's deceased.
Good night.
Good morning. It is the day after the night before. I didn't really film much last night. Actually, I did film me taking some helium as if it's a drug. Filming Scarlett with lots of bits people were putting on her, like a cake stand, a glass cake stand somehow was balancing on the side of her when she was asleep. Today it is the start of the World Cup for England because England are playing today, so I'm probably going to be involved with some of that shenanigans. Sorry if you're not interested in football. I'm not interested in football either, but I'm interested in like the fact that it is an excuse to celebrate. You guys know I just will celebrate anything for the sake of celebrating it. And outside, Vicky and Kate are doing this like cast thing, and Kate's having to put this like cast thing on her face and she has to breathe through these straws. It's going to be a bit intense, but I'll show you what she's doing. Hold on.
So we're putting on the outer.
Come on, Kate, explain what's going on. Oh, I'm sorry, I got in your footage. I didn't realise you had that there. How does it feel?
Very cold. It's like a facial.
It's nice to know you, Vic. Bye. I would actually be crapping myself.
It smells nice. It's like strawberries.
Oh my god. We need a code if you can't breathe.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay, what is it?
Just raise that hand.
A fly goes up one of the straws. Oh. Oh. How did it feel?
Is it warm? That's freezing. Oh.
Or is it quite refreshing? Is it like wearing a face mask?
Well, it was a bit thing when one of the straws started tickling my nose, so I felt like I needed a sneeze. This is me.
Oh.
Such beauty.
It works. Be quick, my battery's running low.
Oh!
Oh my god, it really looks like you. You've got massive nostrils.
It's got a bit.
Oh!
Oh my god, wonky. Oh no, hasn't it? I don't know. It's got a bit wonky. That's that bit.
Oh no. That would look so good though.
Yeah. If I could use that side.
So I've washed my hair off. It's so conditioning, like both, I think it's maybe because I used conditioner with it perhaps, but my hair feels so soft now and I really like how it looks so far, but obviously, I haven't had like a dark colour on my head in so long. But obviously I'll show you the proper results later. And look at what's happened to the hair extensions. Are you ready for this? It's quite hilarious. They've gone so crispy, but as soon as I wash this off, it will go nice and silky soft. I know it will. I have full confidence. Look at that.
There we go. It's so soft now. Look at that. I'm really happy with it. I also love how if I want to put the parting over more, which I rarely would do anyway, but like it goes over to this lovely pink. So like I don't even have to worry about the colours mix or anything, if that makes sense, because it just looks really cool together. Hello and good morning. I don't know why I struggled to remember. I was about to try and say good Saturday, happy Saturday or something. Didn't really work out that well. So happy Saturday. Today me and Adam are going to be viewing 4 different flats today. We've got some more flat viewings to do. Fingers crossed they go splendidly. It won't. The first one we're looking at looks really nice, looks really modern. We've got high hopes about the first one. We love everything about it so far, but we haven't viewed it obviously. The second one has bright yellow walls in every room, so that's a bit weird. I'm gonna try and look past that. Hopefully it's nice enough to get over that, but it looks good other than that. And the third one looks haunted, so I keep updated if any paranormal activity happens in them. We basically just pick the ones with loads of space, so if they look a little bit haunted, if they've got yellow walls, it doesn't matter. We just need a lot of space. Actually, it doesn't matter if it's haunted because I don't want to die, and I also don't want to live in a haunted house. Wow, isn't it beautiful?
Oh man.
That, not that. That. So, just to give you an update. One second.
You alright there? What's this big stick for?
Oh, that was probably how to get in, but I just did it a really weird way. So we just trekked up to like Sisbury, I can't even speak, Sisbury Ring area to take a photo for an Instagram post I've got to do tonight. But we mainly got up this way because we walked all the way to a viewing, got to the outside, rung them up. Oh god, Adam, this looks a bit scary. I'm getting claustrophobic. And they were like, sorry, your viewing's been cancelled because we don't have the key. It's like nice to tell us this when we're at the actual at the actual house. So we ended up just walking. Now we're in the Downs. Somehow. Was there another pathway to pick from?
No, because the other way leads back down.
Wasn't there one? I saw one there though.
No, it goes down. That's where we came from. Promise you.
Oh. So yeah, now we're walking in what looks like a forest. It's beautiful though. I kind of got a bit annoyed because we've walked like 12,000 steps today according to my app. How's your day been, Adam?
Alright.
To be fair, he's been the really positive one today. I'm just like, bleh. So the first place we looked at, really good. We liked everything about it pretty much. But of course there needs to be one thing you don't like, obviously, isn't there? The bedroom was very small. Small to the extent of like, we can put a bed in it and that's it. So say goodbye to any storage for your clothes, because that's not happening. So God knows where we'd be able to put like a cupboard and like drawers or whatever. And then the second one was really cool as well. It was really spacious and it was quite pretty. The kitchen was pretty. And then obviously the third one we couldn't go to. So we're in a bit of a predicament about what one we pick. And we don't really know whether we will pick either. And something to make it even more annoying, we saw a really nice one get sent to me by email today, which would have been nice to view today instead of wasting our time on the third one. And we can't even book that for this weekend because I'm going away this weekend for a wedding. So that one's out of our hands. It's so nice, it's on the seafront as well. So that's our situation. Staying in nettles, be careful. Now we're trying to find our way home because I think I'm going to the church tonight for an event, the spiritualist church that is, because there's like a famous medium doing demonstrations, which is cool. So yeah, bye! Say bye, Adam.
I hate nature.
Oh. I don't know where we are. I think we've made it back to the golf course that we were at the other day. Who watched that vlog? Because I think we accidentally just came here again. That was a weird... I mean, it makes sense. All the downs are connected, aren't they? Hello, everyone. Good morning. It is the day of the
the football shenanigans. I'm wearing a long maxi skirt with my new top from Primark and I feel very summery and refreshed. Today England is playing against Panama, that's it, I keep forgetting, and because of that my mum has made a fruit sort of coconut curry thing. Don't hold us to that, it might be slightly wrong, I don't know. England won! We're now celebrating by playing Trivial Pursuit. Jesus. My toe.
When it gets to our question, we don't know. Purple.
Purple is music. Dangerous. I avoid.
Which Scottish rock star sang the Oscar-winning song from Lord of the Rings and Return of the Kings?
So I'm going to bring the video to an end now. There is a few big updates I want to give you about the whole flat situation that's been going on for a month now, as in like me and Adam searching for a flat. I've got quite a lot of bad news to update you with. But I'm not going to go into it in this video. You're going to have to wait until the next one because this one's already like half an hour long. I wanted to quickly thank Dwave for sponsoring this video. It was the lovely hair straightening brush that you saw in the beginning of this video. I'm going to be using this brush in general though, so you're probably going to see it pop up in a few future weekly vlogs and stuff because it is a really interesting product. It makes like hair straightening less boring because brushing my hair is more therapeutic than hair straightening, so like you're just doing the straightening as well as. I want to thank them for supporting the channel and also for your lovely faces watching the videos, because if it wasn't for you guys then I wouldn't be talking to anyone really, would I? I will see you very soon. I hope you have a lovely rest of the week, guys. Stay positive, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel to be notified every time I make a brand new video. If you want like this video to show me that you like my vlogs, and join me on social media such as Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Mwah. Bye guys.